So today I'm going to talk about the photos I took for this week's photo shoot. So the first image is the ISO images that I took. This is an ISO 100. It's still dark. I mean, the lighting was dark in my room to begin with. So after so this one's going to be the 200 one. It still looks a little bit the same. Maybe a tad brighter than the last photo. And the best one out of these was this one. It was ISO 400, and it went well because the lighting in my room, of course, was kind of dim anyway. So I think out of the last two I took, this one was the best one. Alright, and then the second one I'm gonna talk about is the Aperture. The Aperture I picked, the Aperture that was in this one is 5.6. As you can see, it was really dark for some reason, and I don't really know if I was supposed to do that. So here it's at 5.6, really dark. Can't tell that there's, I mean, you can tell it's something, but there's not much to look at there. The second one is almost pretty much it's completely dark. And this Aperture was this Aperture was an 8 or a 6, or what was it? Yeah, it was an 8. Alright, sorry. So there's nothing there, and for the third one I took, there's also nothing there. It's also completely black. So that was it for that one. And the last part is shutter speed. So for shutter speed, once again, it came out really dark. You really cannot tell there's anything there except for that slight image right there. It came out really dark. Not really sure if it was supposed to do that either for shutter speed. The second one, also really dark, maybe darker than the first image, and last one's also really dark. So there's really not much to say other than the images got really darker. I don't know, like, if it was really supposed to turn out that dark, but for my camera it turned out really dark. And for the final image, I didn't really I kind of just let the camera do its thing. So the Aperture was a 6. I changed the Aperture for this photo. The shutter speed was a 1 out of 4, 1/4. And the ISO was still set at 100. I didn't change the ISO. But this image came out pretty good on its own. So, that's it. Thank you all for watching.